So this was the project for this week. It was supposed to be a wand made out of walnut and a brass handle. The brass handle was one solid piece, but I kept having issues with it. It broke on me. I fixed it, then it broke on me again. Then I figured I'd add this segment here. But in the end, I really don't like the way it looks. So I decided not to put out the full build video. I'm really not happy with it. I like the twist in the wood that I got with the belt sander, but it's just one thing after another where I was trying to just save this piece and kept trying different things, and it just everything was just not working out. And in the end, it's just not what I envisioned and not really what I wanted to share. And I thought I'd let you guys take a look at it. If anything, I might revisit it and try again, but I'm a little frustrated at the moment, so I don't know how soon that'll be. But I wanted to say thank you to all the people that subscribed and all the people that watch, and thank you very much for all the folks that leave comments. I appreciate the feedback, and I like hearing from you guys. I like hearing what you think about the stuff I make. I'll see you around next time.